Nagaya niya na, oh, very good set. Warm up muna. Nandito kami sa UP. Oh, copy dad, kuya set. Very good. Good job, kids. Good job, kuya set. Good job, copying daddy. Copy daddy, nak. Magtatakbo, ha? Very good set. May copying na siya, oh. Chami, look at mom. Wow. Mga bata, ayan, may dala kaming water. Ayan, outfitan. And then si Jamira. Jamira, where are you? Ayun si Kuya Seth. Jamira, where are you? Bye-bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, I was in the talent. So
And with Kuya Seth. Sobrang
the brother.
the brother. Ayan, so isa sa mga therapy talaga for our awesome kid as well as to awesome parents din. Kahit hindi awesome parents, talagang nature is the best therapy at free pa. So ayan. Ang audience na yung kuya niya. Oh, Kuya Seth. Copy. Copy the statue. Ay, do not run there, do not run there. Nako po. Delikado kay Kuya Seth kasi may tubig. O, yung copy the statue. Ano sabi niya? Copy. Kinakabahan ako. Copy, do not go there. Oh! Kasi baka that's not a swimming pool, oh, Kuya Seth, ha? Maya, mag-dive siya doon. Akalain niya swimming pool yon. And si Jamira, mas nabibitawan ka po yung bunso ko. So, extra careful lang talaga pag ano. And you'll have an almond nuts. Ang ganda dito talaga. Oh, you can sit here on the side and take some water break. Sit down. Okay. Swimming pool, Jamira? Hindi yan swimming pool, ha? Oh, you hold kuya. Kuya might swim on the water. Grabe kapit ni Jamira, oh. Naiintindihan niya na sa early age. Ang kapit niya sa kuya niya, oh. Thank you, Jamira. Nang kina-cover mo yung ears mo. Jamira. Hindi ko alam ba't niya kina-cover ears niya. Proud of my 4-year-old daughter. Look at that, oh. Grabe hawak niya sa kuya niya. Kasi baka umano si Seth doon mag-swimming pool. Kasi may tendency talaga to si Kuya Seth. Every time. So proud of you, Jamit. Ayun, like what I've said, may tendency talaga mag-swimming pool, mag-dive si Kuya sa water. Kasi he loves water. But anyways, ayan. Kailangan lang talaga to, like, may kita ng awesome kid. We have like nuts. Ito maganda sa kanya. Almond nuts, water. Thank you, Jamira. Kuya Seth is making silly face. See, it's a lifestyle. Being an awesome parents, we have to deal with it and we have to, yun, lifestyle talaga siya. So, ayun lang masasabi ko. Jamira. Sweet. Hey, pagpidal. Daddy is exercise. Ayaw niya. Water? Pick flowers. How about you, Seth? Oh, sige. Ouchie, diba? Ouchie. Hayaan ko lang mag-explore talaga tong dalawan to. Nagawa mo, Kuya Seth. Talaga kita mabitawan kaysa kay Jamira. Look at that. Come on, Jamira. Let's go. Rocks, but tignan mo kung walang people, ha? There's no people. Oh, you can throw it. Okay, ready? ginagawa? Big girl na talaga si Jamira. Yung bunso ko, mas nabibitawan ko pa kaysa sa kuya. Slide! Safe naman siya makaslide. Slide na, bilis, slide! Slide! Hindi ko talaga mabitawan si kuya. Nag-slide. Oh, pinahiram tayo ni na kuya. Ang bait ni na kuya. Kick! Practice, kick! Go! Whoa! Oh, you copy them. You copy them. Galing, oh. You copy them. You can do that. Oh! Oh! Sali na si. Oo nga, mukhang boat nga anak. Patingin nga. Ang wow, it looks like a boat. Sabi niya to, boat to. Ito yung hammer. Ayan. Ang galing, oh. May free toys ka dito sa nature, oh. What's that, Kuya Seth? Hammer. Doon tayo. Hindi lang. O, dito tayo. O, ano? Libre bunot ng grass sa'yo. Ayun si Bunso. Let's kick the ball. You wanna lie down? You kick the ball, Kuya. Look at Bunso, oh.